Cardano ADA has just hit a massive push. What are we looking at? Where can Cardano go? ADA is going to the moon. What price do we think it can get to? Where can we look for a pullback if we're looking to dollar cost average? Welcome to the Alex O Crypto Show, where we discuss alts, Bitcoin. We have live streams Monday to Friday, 8:30 Eastern Standard Time in the morning. Join us here. But where can Cardano go? Because we've gotten a lot of news. Okay, Cardano ADA reaches highest level since 22, but there's a catch. Okay, there's a catch. It's been pumping, but a lot of people are suggesting that it has reached the highs. Okay, and it could correct. So can we look for a pullback? Can we get up to a higher level? Well, we're definitely going to look at the charts and look to discuss this in further. Also, Cardano, is the rally price really over? Now, what has moved this? What has moved this? The main driver on Saturday, December 9th, the Cardano price climbed to 63 cents. Okay, it's the highest it's been, okay, since June 2022. So this is pretty good. This is bullish. But Bitcoin had a push. Ethereum's getting a push. Cardano's getting a push, okay? And Cardano, it tends to move quite horizontal, and then all of a sudden, bang, bang. It moves so quickly. So watch out. Sell signals have emerged on both the 3-day and the 1-day ADA chart, suggesting a potential correction of one of the four candles, okay? So you can see we could be possibly getting a blow off top. Now, what do they mean by this? Now, we go into the charts and we look at this. We're on the 3-day here, and we can see that, wow, what a move from Cardano. Can it continue upwards, right? We want to know where we can get a pullback. So I always draw the momentum trend line, okay? Which way we're going to come back down to, where we want to correct to in order to continue higher. Always draw this key trend line so that we can look for retracements back to it in order to dollar cost average at cheaper prices. Now, we have this big red bar across the middle here. Now, what do I mean by that? Well, we were trading down here before. You can see all the TA I've done on ADA before. We were picking it up at 22 cents. So join us in the free Discord. Link is in the description below, and subscribe if you haven't already. We're always here trying to give you guys the alpha ahead of time so that you guys are prepared for whatever's to come next, right? So we've passed right through this area, right? And we've come up to these levels. Now, objectively, looking at this, ADA was all the way up at $3. A lot of people are calling for $8 ADA, okay? $8 ADA. That is what I hear around the beautiful crypto world, $8 ADA. And you know what? I'm not going to go all the way to $8. You know, I would like to see, you know, a $4 or $5 ADA depending on, you know, inflation and other things like that. However, in the immediate future, we have some key levels in order for us to get through, and some key levels that we could pull back to in order for you to dollar cost average, right? So what are those levels? We pull up this and we can see there's simple support and resistance and volume at these levels. So our next level to get up and in between, we want to see it flip 64 cents, okay? That would be the key driver for bullish momentum. Get up, trade within here, and then continue its way and flip 75 cents. Why is 75 cents so important? Well, when we had that Terra Luna crash, right? When we had that bang right back down into this bear market that we just experienced, right? We were trading up around here, and even up around here mostly, that we can see around $1, okay? That psychological dollar, right? However, once we get above this 73 cents, we look to continue our way upwards. And until then, we look to put in some volume around here. You can see that we have a little bit of volume, but not that much. So our key level of support for pullbacks is going to be around 56 cents. That's going to be my main level that I'm looking for a pullback. And why would I be looking there? So we go into the 4-hour, and we can see very simply here that we have flipped this to support, right? So we've had this massive move up. The first move, massive resistance over here at around 45 cents, then a massive push up where we're looking to flip this to support, put in some volume up here, some price action, and then take another crack at the 64 cents in order to continue higher. So right now, this 56 cents level is going to act as support. Can we come lower? Absolutely. Anything is possible. If we do get that correction, that 40% correction on Bitcoin, I mean, we're coming much lower. So let's see what the price action does in the next coming days and make sure that we're prepared. Now, what we like to do on this channel, we like to pull fibs. So we'll pull a fib from the swing low to the swing high, And our key level of buying is going to be definitely around this 50-cent region, okay, right around this golden pocket. And if we can front run that a little bit, I do believe if we're going to $4, $5, $6, that's still a massive, massive pump, right? If we go to $5, that's a 10x, right? So if you're bullish on Cardano, if you like Charles Hoskins, you like decentralization, and you're a fan of ADA, well, this is definitely the token for you. So we can go much higher. Yes, I would like to see it go back to all-time highs, but right now we are just coming into that bull run. We are breaking out of the structure down below that we've been trading in for so long. You are not late. You are not late. However, you can always find a better retrace, right? So we're looking for that correction. We want to be patient. We don't want to jump into this right away. We want to make sure we get confirmed price action in case we see a change of market structure and working its way back down. Okay, so for now, we wait for it to break the 64 cents, work its way up to 75 cents, and then we have to get above that massive level of resistance at $1. And then once we get there, I believe we can go to the moon, right? We can go to the moon because we love Charles. We love ADA. We are a holder of ADA. This is not financial advice. However, I am bullish on ADA. If we can get that beautiful ADA dominance back up to about 4%, I believe we were at. Let's go to ADA dominance. ADA dominance. So we go over here, market cap of ADA, and we can see that we were all the way up at 101 billion. That's wild. So ADA was at 4% dominance. Can we get back to that level? Let's wait and find out. Hopefully you enjoyed this content. If there's anything else you want me to look at, maybe give you a price prediction, let you know where we are within this trading range, and I will always try to serve you the best I can. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you. Join us in the free Discord. Link is in the description below, and subscribe if you haven't already. Much love, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.